Hello there, you guys. Welcome back to Rollington, tu canal en español. Soy George, and before we get this video started, you guys, please do not forget to like this video, to leave a comment or a question, and to subscribe for more videos. So, you guys, this is going to be a very quick episode, as the concept that we're going to be discussing is quite simple. In Spanish, we have two verbs, ver y mirar. One is to see and the other one is to look at. And here we have the conjugation for ver, and here we have the conjugation for mirar. Yo veo, tú ves, etc. Y yo miro, tú miras, etc. ¿Sí? Now, when it comes to using them, you have to know that it's different. It's different in English and it's different in Spanish. So in English, we say, I'm gonna see a movie, but we don't say, I'm gonna look at a movie, right? Pero en español, in Spanish, we can say, voy a ver una película o voy a mirar una película. Why? ¿Por qué? Well, because we don't have that difference in Spanish. So, in terms of watching a movie or watching TV or watching people, we can be using both verbs, and that's it. It won't be any problem for you. So you can say, yo voy a ver a mi amiga, I'm gonna see my friend, o yo voy a mirar a mi amiga mañana, tomorrow. Yo voy a ver una película, I'm gonna see a movie, o yo voy a mirar una película, ver o mirar, right? And that's it, you guys. Hopefully this will, give you like a more specific concept on whether you should be using ver o mirar. Ciao.